Hey guys, it's Joey here, product manager at Team Robosell, and if you are watching this video, you are probably interested in abandoned checkout recovery for your Shopify store. And in my last video, I compared Robosell with Shopify's email automation. And today we're going to look at two other popular email automation platforms, Klaviyo and Omnisend. So both Klaviyo and Omnisend offer similar features for abandoned checkout email automation workflows. You can create email sequences that are triggered when a customer abandons their checkout, customize the content of these emails, and set the timing and the number of emails in the sequence. However, there are some key differences between the two platforms. Klaviyo offers more advanced segmentation options, allowing you to target specific customer groups with personalized content. On the other hand, Omnisend offers a more user-friendly interface and easier setup process, making it a great option for merchants who are new to email automation. And at Robosell, we have researched these two platforms extensively and developed our own solution to the problem of abandoned checkout recovery. We understand that there are several common reasons why customers abandon their checkouts, and our platform is designed to address those issues. So we have created a tactic flow based on those common reasons so that users don't need to collect or rebuild each email node by themselves. For beginners, all they need to do is set up their brand assets, link their review apps and Facebook pages, open all the tactics, and they're ready to go. And Robosell will determine whether a customer meets the requirements to receive a message or not. And for experienced users, they can edit the trigger conditions and the content of SMS messages and emails as they wish. And plus, Robosell provides content hints on each tactic to remind users how to get the most out of the email. And both beginners and experienced users can add reviews and Facebook post content to enrich the email, which Klaviyo and Omnisend are not able to do. So both Klaviyo and Omnisend offers robust abandoned checkout email automation workflows, but ultimately, the decision between the two will depend on your specific needs and preferences. And we believe that Robosell provides a unique and effective solution for recovering abandoned checkouts. And we are excited to share more about it with you. So thanks for tuning in, and be sure to check out our website for more information about Robosell. And I will see you in the next video.